There's something intriguing about the way the crypto market moves, how patterns emerge, trends shift, and anticipation builds. If you've been watching closely, you've probably noticed how certain formations can hint at major price movements before they happen. It's almost like the market speaks its own language, giving signals to those who know how to read them. Some traders call it strategy, others call it intuition. But whatever name you give it, one thing is clear. Those who pay attention often find themselves ahead of the curve. And right now, there's a lot of attention on Ripple, XRP. The excitement isn't just random hype. It's backed by a formation that has many traders on edge waiting for a potential breakout. But before we get into that, let's step back and consider why XRP has been a focal point in the market for so long. It's not just another cryptocurrency. Unlike many digital assets that thrive purely on speculation, XRP has a deep connection to real-world use cases, especially in cross-border payments. RippleNet, the technology behind it, is already integrated with several major financial institutions, making XRP more than just a tradable token. It's a bridge between traditional finance and blockchain innovation. Of course, the road hasn't been smooth. Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has played a massive role in shaping its price movements over the past few years. The case has created uncertainty, with each new development sending ripples, no pun intended, through the market. Recently, the SEC took another step in its appeal, seeking to overturn a ruling that XRP's secondary market sales are not securities transactions. This decision could have far-reaching implications. If Ripple secures a favorable outcome, it could ignite a surge in confidence, attracting more investors and potentially pushing the price upward. On the other hand, if the case drags on or takes an unexpected turn, it could put pressure on the bullish momentum. With that in mind, let's talk about the pattern forming in XRP's charts. Right now, technical analysts are closely watching a bullish pennant, a formation that typically signals a continuation of an upward trend. It appears as two converging trend lines forming a symmetrical triangle after a strong price movement. This type of consolidation indicates that buyers and sellers are in a temporary standoff waiting for a decisive move. The closer the price gets to the breakout point, the higher the anticipation. If XRP follows through with a breakout, the next target could be the psychological resistance level of $5, a major milestone considering its current price of around $2.68. That's a potential 65% increase. And if momentum picks up, it could go even higher. But patterns alone don't dictate market movements. Volume plays a crucial role. When traders see increasing volume alongside a pattern like this, it adds confidence to the breakout scenario. Right now, the growing interest in XRP suggests that more investors are positioning themselves ahead of a potential move. Momentum indicators like the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, also offer insights into whether XRP is overbought or oversold, helping traders gauge the timing of their entries and exits. And speaking of moving averages, many are watching for a golden cross, when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average, which is often seen as a strong bullish signal. While the technicals are exciting, we can't ignore the broader market dynamics. XRP isn't the only player in the global payment space. Competitors like Stellar, XLM, and even the traditional SWIFT system are constantly evolving. But Ripple has an advantage. It was one of the first to establish itself as a bridge between banks and blockchain, securing key partnerships that reinforce its role in cross-border transactions. That kind of first-mover advantage is hard to replicate. However, staying competitive means continuous innovation, and Ripple will need to keep expanding its network to maintain its position. So what does all this mean for the future? Some analysts believe that if XRP breaks past $5, it could set the stage for even bigger targets, $10, $50, or beyond. While these numbers are speculative, they aren't entirely out of reach in a market known for explosive growth. But as always, risk management is crucial. The crypto space is highly volatile, and while opportunities exist, so do sudden reversals. Traders should always have a plan, whether it's setting stop-loss orders or diversifying their holdings. Long-term investors, on the other hand, may choose to hold through the volatility, believing in the broader vision of Ripple's role in global finance. The next few weeks could be pivotal. Whether XRP breaks out as expected or faces resistance, one thing is certain: this is a moment worth watching. As always, stay informed, do your research, and approach every trade with a clear strategy. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to subscribe for more insights on Ripple, XRP, and the ever-changing world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned and let's see where the market takes us next.